Hi everyone, this is Dev Sharma coming to you from Capitalize Analytics with another Power BI ChatGPT video. While the Power BI desktop application provides a user-friendly interface for creating reports and dashboards using calculated columns and measures, there are cases where automation logic needs to be implemented using Power Queries before the data is loaded. And this is where backend mashup codes come into play. In our use case, you're going to see that there are several transformation steps applied to the data before it is loaded to create a Power BI report. Now, what if these steps need to be documented for auditing purposes? A Power BI developer has several options here. In the first option, the Power BI developer could click on each individual step and document it as they click on every individual step. So for example, in this case, if I click on this step that says removed bottom rows and click on this little gear sign over here, it's going to tell me that I removed the bottom 3 rows. Similarly, here I'm splitting by delimiter. I can click on this and it shows me that I'm splitting by an opening parentheses. Now, this option could be really cumbersome to perform, especially if we have several transformation steps. Another option would be for the Power BI developer to look at the advanced editor. So the advanced editors would have all these queries written out. This step involves less clicks compared to the first step, but requires knowledge to understand and analyze Power BI M queries. One option that a Power BI developer has here is to use ChatGPT's artificial intelligence to interpret this. So all I have to do is copy this code from here and go to ChatGPT and write a simple command to interpret this. It looks like ChatGPT over here has identified that the file type that we are working with is a CSV, and it has started to create documentation for each individual applied step. This documentation could help auditors understand and reproduce the data transformation steps. It provides a clear records of steps taken to manipulate the data, allowing auditors to verify the accuracy and integrity of the analysis. It could also help in error detection and mitigation, and could be used for compliance and governance purposes as well. Try it for yourself and let us know if you have any questions.